I know local farmers in the last couple of years where there've been more drought that have literally had to leave their land because they didn't have reliable water. Our ability to store water here and have these pond-based ecosystems then gives us the insurance to do all of the plantings, because you don't want to plant things unless you know you can water them. By storing water high up here, it's constantly seeping down through the soil. This is the foundation upon which all of the multi-species permaculture perennial landscape is built upon.